We are in Cromwell Nature Reserve with our sweetie Jonathan and my dearest friend Ramona.
Hi.
Hi Jonathan.
Good day.
Good day. They gave us a map and this is the route that we have to follow in this wonderful park. And these are the explorers.
Come on, crack-a-lacking.
Yeah, Ellen, Tyre and battery will be...
I have to walk alone here because Ramona had the puncture and she just left me. Look at these. Look how beautiful this river is. Now I'm alone in this park. Nobody joined me. Everybody's busy with that puncture, Ramona's puncture in her wheel, car wheel, so I'm alone. But that's beautiful. And it's so quiet and peaceful. Ta-da! Jonathan dear, tell me, what do you think about this beautiful place?
It's very adventurous place.
It is,
And
but I think only both of us we enjoy this because these two are into cars. They don't give a monkey.
In the tyre.
Fixing the tires. We are on our way to the pond dipping. And this is the Cromwell Park. And it's an open day. It's quite very crowded at the entrance.
Come on.
What do we see here, Ramona?
We're going to go and see squirrels and birds.
Squirrels and
There's
birds.
a viewing platform, I think.
We are prepared to see a lot of squirrels and a lot of birds around this area here. They made these alleys, footpaths, and they are very accessible for all people, including for wheelchairs. It's a nice peaceful walk here. Nobody's behind me. I'm alone in the dark. There is a bench, I just spotted it. I've talked to an old lady and she told me she stayed here for 10 minutes and a very beautiful bird came on this fence and she took a photo of it and it was bigger than a pigeon. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, very nice area. Oh, look at that. There is a bird watcher's spot. They've got some birds feeders there and you can stay here waiting in quietness, very quiet, to look at the birds. So I have to be very quiet here. It's full of people here, unfortunately. We can't keep quiet or still. The children are on holiday and everybody is enjoying a walk. This is our signal. When Michael can't see me, I just whistle at him. This is Ramona. I can see the optimism on her face. She's so happy. No, I didn't miss anything, sweetheart.
Did you get them?
Yes, lovey. The happiness is
The
spread
happiness.
all
I'm
over
being absolutely bitten to shreds by mozzies.
because you're Blood is very sweet,
Oh my god.
as your soul.
Itching through the flipping.
This will be on the film, so you have to see, to say, these wonderful Moses kissed my skin.
The case I won't stay with this.
Excuse me, this will be on an Universal film.
No, please don't put it on the English.
I will never do this. No. Blackberries. Blackberries for Jonathan. Blackberries are a month earlier this year. Mid of August.
There is the weir on the left.
The weir on the left.
Is it the weir?
What is a weir?
Is it like a little waterfall?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a weir. In the old days, there would be a mill, a small mill at the side of the road
That would harness the power
that
down.
would harness the power.
A beautiful oak tree. Hello, sir. Hello, Mrs.
Hello. You're looking very
What is the name of this, Ramona?
Japanese knotweed. It's very
Japanese
dangerous to
knotweed.
buildings. Yeah.
Oh,
Japanese knotweed.
and such an attractive flower.
Beautiful.
The dangerous Japanese knotweed.
Here, can't you? You can see it there as well.
Yeah.
You come in here.
Now then, Ramona,
Yes.
this is the overflow system from the canal.
Ah.
When the canal, it's a big level, it runs out straight into the river.
The overflow system, Michael says. And we finished our little trip. Now we have to take care of Ramona's tire because it's completely flat. What a poem. And we finish our day blowing this tire up. Let's see if we succeed or not.
Now
The job
press the
started.
button, it says, yeah.
Turn it. No.
No,
Turn it on.
Right.
It's on, yeah?
Turn
Are
it.
you sure?
Turn it, yeah, but don't
You
turn
think
it.
it's threaded on
It's
enough?
threaded on enough. It's all right. It's tight.
Okay.
Go for it, Ramona. We paid a lot of money for that. You have to pay double.
Obviously.
Just leave it. Leave it. Don't turn it off. Whatever you do. Is it going up? Yeah.
Something's going in. I can see
Yes,
the
is
foam going in.
the ceiling, the foam is going in. Fantastic, Ramona, you are so good.
Just leave it.
Continue, Ramona. Be strong.
Is it still going in?
I can read on your face the determination. You could continue this for another 10 hours. Have a good day.